3 cell phones and I still don't ever call them. Why would I call them? Bitch, you know I'm
Good
ballin'.
morning, sunshine. It's the first vlog of the year. But it is approximately 8:43. I just got off of work. I went to HEB because I want some gumbo and I'm gonna cook it. But first, I'm going to get myself situated. Like, I'm going to take a bath and drink a Red Bull. But in honor of more productive Ly, let me throw this mask away. Guys, I have my first day off gets washed away because I get off in the morning and I sleep and then I wake up and then I go back to sleep and then I'm up all night and then I'm tired for the next however long I'm off. So in efforts to change that, I'm going to drink this Red Bull and stay up as long as I can. I'm going to cook and do all that good jazz and stay up as long as I can so I can be tired. By the time Zuri take a nap, I'll take a little nap and then could go to sleep at night and not be up like I'm at work. Even though last night was hell. But, good morning. And this is day 1 of me being off and the first day of the vlog. Period. Let's go. Hey y'all, so guess what I did? I was editing this vlog because I vlogged from the day I got off until today. Like, I went to, where did I go? Hold on, let me think. Thursday, I cooked the gumbo and I chilled. Friday, what did I do? I don't remember what I did Friday. Me and Zuri did something Friday. Saturday, my friend had a pop-up shop and then we went to Summer's house. And then, no, that was Saturday. And then Sunday, I vlogged. Me and Zuri got up. We went to church. We went to Tokyo with my parents. And I vlogged all of those things, guys. Except for, like, when I went to Summer in them house. And I didn't go to the pop-up shop, though, because I fell asleep. But I vlogged, like, my new purchases and all that. And guess what? I just deleted it on accident. So I'm finna show y'all a little quick rundown of what's going on. Okay, so if you haven't noticed, your girl got countertops. Period. I didn't have countertops last year. I got countertops this year. Period. And I got a new stove. And she nice, okay? The next thing you know, we're gonna get a new ice box. Well, listen, it's an ice box. We're gonna upgrade to a refrigerator, okay, honey? Period. We're gonna upgrade to a refrigerator next. But one money tree at a time, okay? Anyways, so y'all, it was my nurse anniversary, right? And my nurse anniversary is January 26th. I made 1 year being a nurse and I celebrated it and got gifts and all of that good stuff. So I'm gonna show y'all some of my gifts. Okay, some I bought myself and some my parents bought. Okay, so my first gift to myself was this Keurig because I give Starbucks entirely too much of my money. So I got me a single compact Keurig. My mama bought me an air fryer. Okay, and I bought me and Zoo a waffle maker, which I will insert. Wait, when I find it. I just used it yesterday. I will insert. Where the hell my waffle maker at, child? Girl, where's my waffle maker? I literally just had it. Oh. It's a little mini waffle maker. Period. Poo. That I purchased because, you know, when you're professional, you say because Zuri love waffles. And I'm tired of, like, y'all, I'm tired of spending money at Waffle House. I'm tired of spending money, period. That's unnecessary when I know how to cook. I got a new stove, got an air fryer. I got everything I need right here. And I made these waffles and Zuri ate like 4. No cap. Like she ate 2 for breakfast and she ate 2 for dinner because one thing made so many. I'm gonna insert the clips. But what I'm super duper excited about, and y'all, I know me holding the camera is like a struggle right now because I lost my my mini tripod that goes to my vlogging camera. I don't know where the fuck is that. I lost it. So, but anyways, I'm finna sit at the bar and show y'all what I'm really excited about. So, for myself, my nurse anniversary, like the Keurig was like a splurge, but like I'm calling it a nurse anniversary gift, but it was really a splurge because I didn't know I was gonna buy it, but when me and my mom went to Walmart the other day, it was on sale and I was like, I've been wanting this, I'ma just buy it. Anyways, but what I'm really super uber excited about is for my nurse anniversary, I bought myself my first pair of Yeezys, okay? I feel official. I told y'all I don't know if I told y'all, but I told y'all I wanted to get more into sneakers because I was really into sneakers like in middle school and stuff like that. And then I went through this whole girly wave. I don't know what I was doing, but I'm back to my roots now. I'm back to where I need to be, okay? I like to dress up and be cute, but I really I want to have a lit ass shoe game again and like be a cool kid. Like I used to work at Foot Locker. I used to be cool. Not my mom, not cool now, but I'm cool. Anyways, so I bought my first pair of Yeezys. I got them off of StockX because I don't have any luck on any of the apps. Like I don't ever have luck, so I just wait, bid on them, and I usually win my bids and buy what I want. Anyways, but I bought my first pair of Yeezys 700s. I wanted the original Yeezy Boost, but I can never get the ones I want. Like, and they are too damn expensive on StockX. And anyway, that's not the point. That's not the point. I bought my first pair of Yeezy 700s. Okay, this is the V3 Clay Brown ones. Bro, look at them. They so lit. I can't wait to wear these. I don't know what I'm gonna wear them with, where I'm gonna wear them. I don't know, but I can't wait to wear them, period. Period. And I wear 8.5, 9 in women. And this girl I seen on YouTube who unboxed them, she was like she was a 10 and she got an 8 or 7.5. So I bought a 7.5 off the prices off the sizes off of StockX, and these fit. Now this shoe tight. Like y'all know how hard it is to like put on a Huarache. Like putting on a Huarache is hard as hell, but once you get it in, it fit. That's kind of how putting these on. Like it's hard to get your foot in there, but once it's in there, it's in there. It fit, but it's just like it's so damn tight. You gotta like bust that thing up in there. But yeah, y'all, so got my first pair of Yeezy 700s. And that's on period. And that's on period poo. Period poo. And right now it is 2 a.m. But I got videos to film. I got content to push out because we coming back. Like, we're going hard all 2021. Okay? So, yeah. But this gonna be the end of this vlog. It's a short little introduction to the vlog. You know, I go back to work tomorrow. All that good jazz. Start back training or whatever. Well, I've been started back training. But, you know, start the week off with my workout session with my trainer. But, yeah, y'all. So, this is the end of the vlog. I love y'all. This is just a little intro to the new vlogs that's coming up this year. Like, rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to talk to y'all in my next one.
3 cell phones and I still don't ever call them. Why would I call them? Bitch, you know I'm ballin'.